Hey, it's Hamish Mackay, CEO and co-founder at AutoEditing.com, and you must be here because you want to make more money with our app and see results like this. Well, here's how you do it. The most impactful thing you can do is send an email out post-purchase after your order confirmation email, letting customers know that there is space in their package for another product. And the way that you do this is extremely simple. You set up a simple flow in Klaviyo that when someone places an order, you wait a minute and then you send an email notifying them of your order editing offer. You can choose to wait longer if your order editing period permits it, but we see the best results when you send this email out effectively instantly. And you can see that on the results of our client here, 62% open rate, 10% click through, crazy. And 1.2% of customers are adding an additional item to their order post-purchase. They're receiving an email like this, and this is really the grunt work that you have to do is just design the email, and we have examples for you, just like Lola and the boys'. Important thing is, bold text up the top. This is why I'm contacting you, because there is space in your package for another product. Text underneath it, clearly explaining the offer. 15% off for 30 minutes only. Add any extra item and get this as a thank you for saving on shipping. And they click any of this image or buttons or text, however you set up the email. And the important thing is, the magic is that Klaviyo gives us a dynamic URL that automatically logs the customer into the order editing portal, pre-authenticated, and they can immediately start shopping and adding more items to their existing order on Shopify. Pay the difference, you collect the funds, and bing bang bomb, Bob is your uncle, and you're making $10, $20, $30,000 plus per month in net new upsell revenue. We have documentation on how you can do this. It's super straightforward. Again, you set up a flow, you design an email, and you make sure it links to this dynamic URL that Klaviyo gives us. I can't wait for you to try this. This will be linked in the description, and let me know how you go. Cheers.